Hi, this is the REALME C53 and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we will see how fast this option is and does it works. But first I just wanna activate the option to skip the lock screen to unlock the device directly, to unlock just to enter the home screen after the unlocking. So let's try. 1, 2. Oh, sorry, I just got also on the fingerprint. So let's once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see, the face unlock was here correct, and we just unlocked the device successfully without any problems. You could try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.